Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon, Professor Dr. Gordon. This is a project for group number 6. We'll be talking about HCAHPS. And I'm going to start off by, explaining to people what HCAHPS is. HCAHPS actually stands for Hospital Consumer Assessment of Healthcare Providers and Systems Survey. Ever since 2008, once it got rolling on, it was the first national standardized and publicly reported survey in the country. It was established by CMS with the express purpose of collecting data and providing a direct comparison amongst hospitals and patient care facilities nationwide. Okay, going back to the history of it, CMS stands for the Centers for Medicaid and Medicare services for the country. It actually falls under the Department of Health and Human Services, which is an executive level branch of the executive government. It's very important to focus on this only because of the fact that it is highly influential. The entire Department of Health and Human Services has a budget that is just slightly above 1 trillion with a T dollars, and of that, slightly above over 85% of it goes to Medicaid and Medicare. So when you couple that with the Veterans Administration's healthcare administrators, those two federal agencies, CMS and the VA, have great clout to provide for the national healthcare environment. So, keeping that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, I want to provide you with the overall goals of HCAHPS. HCAHPS, the goals is twofold really. One is to produce data that is valid and standardized amongst everybody, that provide Medicaid and Medicaid services. And then once that all those comparisons is available to the public, to create incentives for those hospitals and patient care facilities to improve their quality of care and improve their transparency now that their ratings and scores will be public. So with that, I will leave you all with one question, ladies and gentlemen. How do HCAHPS affect patient care? Thank you.